Hi, welcome to Rapid C++. My name is Biplab Modak. I have over 10 years of experience in C++ programming on various operating systems. I'm one of the core developer of CodeBlocks, an open source cross-platform IDE. I'm passionate about open source software development. So in this overview video, we're going to give you a glimpse of all the videos that are going to come in sequence. So let's begin. With section 1, we are going to set up our development environment. We are going to do this exercise on 3 operating systems, namely Windows, Linux, and Mac. So in the beginning, we'll cover with the installation on Windows. We'll show you how to download and how to proceed with the installation. Next, we are going to cover installation on Linux, starting from downloading the binary to all the way to installation and running it on Linux. And next we are going to cover installation of CodeBlocks and associated tools on Macintosh operating system. In section 2, we'll cover basic C++ programming, covering variables and some simple program. In section 3, advanced concepts such as arrays, loop, conditionals, and pointers will be covered. And at the end of the section, there will be an exercise that covers all the learnings we have learned in section 3. And in section 4, which is the final section, we'll learn about functions, data structures, and memory. At the end of the section, there will be an exercise that covers functions, data structure, and as well as some memory management tips. Coming to course objective. In this course, we intend to show how to set up development environment on various operating systems. We will learn how to write basic C++ programs with variables, conditionals, loops, and other keywords. We'll also learn advanced programming techniques such as functions, data structures, and memory management. As a prerequisite, familiarity with any programming language will be helpful, although it's not required. Familiarity with console mode in his or her preferred operating system is required. Familiarity with the concepts of compiler, debugger, and IDE will be required, although it will be shown how to set up all these 3 tools together on various operating system. And as far as the operating system is concerned, any one of the following will do, either Windows, Linux, or Mac. With this, let's move forward to the main videos. We have an exciting series of videos planned for you, and I'm sure you will enjoy as well as learn from those videos. So let's get started.